good. What about you?
Yes, I'm good, Ritika. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting
Okay.
that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much.
So can you introduce about yourself?
Myself, Ritika Macharla. I had completed my BCom in 2014. After my marriage, actually, I shifted to Bangalore. So I had a gap in my career. I did not understand what to do. So then I got to know about this interior designs through my husband because he is also in the same background. So somehow I got the interest, and through my husband I got to know about Ashok, so that he has his own institute means regarding this interior design training. So I joined CMTI.
Okay. So what and all you learned in this training?
In this training, I learned a lot about interior designs. I means the softwares, SketchUp, AutoCAD, the cut list part, because this is all new to me because I had never known about this. So I got to learn many things from here about means what actually interior design is and what are the procedure, execution, and how all it works.
Okay. So how was your trainer's approach and all?
Yeah, the trainers also were very good, very supportive. If as coming from a different background, if I did not understand anything, they used to explain me again and again till the time means I got to know what it is. So the trainers were also very good. Yeah.
Okay. So what about Ashok sir guidance and all? How was that?
Yeah, Ashok sir also was very supportive. He used to explain me all the things if I could not understand. He was very supportive throughout the training sessions, throughout the journey. For the placement also, he helped me how to prepare for the roles and all. The roles I used to go for the interview. So he used to explain me how to crack the interviews, what are the things to read, or what are the things to watch the videos on YouTube or yeah. So he helped me.
Okay, fine. So how was your site visits and all?
Yes, site visits was also very good. I got to learn many things about the factory visit which I went. I got to know how the production is happens. What is the first means what is the first step? What is the second step? How it executes. And there I got to learn many things.
Okay, so now you are having a complete structure, like complete knowledge in interiors.
Yes, complete knowledge I got to know means how the interior design company works or goes through.
Ritika, one thing, actually, you said that you had a career break, right?
Yeah.
So how did you overcome all these things? Because you used to travel so far, right?
Yeah.
So how did you overcome, and what is your thing you have to tell to others?
Means actually I fixed my mind that I have to do something now. I can't delay things. Means it came into my mind that I have to start some new or so I did not get any option in my career to proceed further. So somehow I saw my husband's growth also in this field. So it was a good chance for me to start in this career. This was the right time I felt. So I did not waste any time and I just got to know about the Ashok sir and I just joined the next day itself.
Okay, fine. So how was your interview process and all?
Interview process was also like basics only they used to ask me means what are the softwares you have learned or what is cut list. Yeah, that was only not that much and normal the basics questions about the modular kitchens, how does it work, what are the dimensions, they used to ask that only.
Actually, this was your third interview or fourth interview, Ritika?
Hmm, I think this was fourth, I guess.
Okay, fine. Okay, Ritika. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your
Thank you
feedback
so much.
and
Yeah.
all the best for your upcoming days, sir. And
Yeah.
once again, congratulations for your placements. Okay. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much, Aruna. Yeah, good to meet you.